Good day, all pet patters. Today we're going to talk about how to trim the excess dog coat in the eye area, because sometimes this excess coat poke the eyes of our dog and it causes irritations and lead to infections if not treated very early. And also, when the coat poke the eyes of our dog, the dog shed tears that cause tear stains to our dogs. So it is better to cut the excess hair on the eye area to avoid those problem. Okay, this way we will avoid eye irritations and the stinky smell coming from the dog tear stains. So let's get started. We need the comb and scissors. Okay, straight scissors or curved scissors will do. We don't use paper scissors. So first we need to comb this. Okay, so we start from this corner to the other corner of the eyes. So let's get started. This way the dog will see things clearly, and we will be able to see the beautiful eyes of our dogs. So we go to the left side now. Come on, baby. Just same, we start from this corner to the other corner of the eyes, and we comb this. Just be careful not to poke the eyes of our dog by the scissors. Then we comb this. Check. And then we go to the tear stain area of our dog. We need to remove the excess coat here because it is stained already, and if we don't trim this, it will give us stinky smell. And if we remove this, there's no more tear stain. And then we go to the left side. See, there is a tear stain here, so we have to remove that by trimming it. Maybe. Sometimes there will be a few tear stain left. All we have to do is to clean it with wet wipes every day, or sometimes we can also use mild shampoo. The shampoo is specifically for the white colored or light colored dogs. If we have apricot or red colored dog, we use shampoo for red color coat dog. See the eyes already. I hope you learned something from our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.